Today I want to answer one powerful question. How can you make $10,000 from home? Not dreams, not scams, not overnight tricks. Real money, real strategy, real thinking. First, let me be very clear. $10,000 is not small money, and anyone who tells you it is easy is lying to you. But here's the good news. It is absolutely possible if you stop chasing shortcuts and start building value. Every person who makes serious money online follows one of three paths. There is no fourth secret path. Let me explain them clearly. The first path is high income skills. This is the fastest and safest way to reach $10,000 from home. Businesses already have money. They just need people who can solve problems. If you can help a business save time or make more money, they will pay you well. Skills like freelancing, video editing, social media management, copywriting, website building, paid ads, or AI-based services. Here's the math most people ignore. You do not need millions of followers. If you earn $1,000 from 10 clients, you have $10,000. If you earn $500 from 20 clients, you have $10,000. This is professional income, not gambling. The smartest people do not learn many skills. They master one skill and charge correctly. The second path is building digital assets. This is slower but extremely powerful. Digital assets include YouTube channels, blogs, Instagram pages, online courses, ebooks, or templates. You work once and the system keeps paying you. In the beginning, it feels slow. Many people quit here, but after 6 to 12 months, this becomes scalable income. Selling a $100 product to 100 people is $10,000. One video can work for you for years. This is how long-term wealth is built. The third path is leverage. This means you do not create everything yourself. You use existing products, platforms, or people. Affiliate marketing, service agencies, coaching, high-ticket commissions. If one sale gives you $100, you need 100 sales. If one client gives you $1,500, you only need 7 clients. Smart people choose fewer customers, higher value. Now listen carefully. If I were starting today from zero, working from home, this is exactly what I would do. First, I would choose one high-income skill and learn it deeply for 1 to 2 months. Then I would reach out to businesses every single day. Not waiting for motivation, not waiting to feel ready. By month 3 to 6, I would aim for consistent income. Once income is stable, I would start building a digital asset alongside it. This is how you move from survival money to freedom money. Most people fail not because they are incapable. They fail because they keep switching ideas. They chase easy money. They do not give time for compounding to work. The truth is simple. Money flows to people who create value, stay consistent, and think long term. $10,000 from home is not luck. It is a system.